Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to use the Typewriter tool in Revu 21. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the Tools menu and under the Markups, you will find the Typewriter Markup tool. Click to select it or press the shortcut key W. Click to add the markup, and Revu will prompt you to type text. Once you are done, choose the Select tool from the navigation bar, and your typewriter markup will be added as a typewritten text on your PDF. Now you can use the markup editor at the top to customize it. If you increase the line thickness, your typewriter markup will become a standard text box markup with a border. You can add line color and line style of your choice. Click Manage to add custom line styles. Watch our separate video on custom lines in Revu to see how to add custom line styles. In the Fill options, you can add a fill color and increase its transparency to keep your PDF content visible behind the markup. You can access the same options by going to the Properties panel on the left. Change font styling options such as font style, text alignment, font size, and font type. You can access the same options in the Markup Editor bar at the top under its Font section. To relocate your typewriter markup, click and drag to reposition it. Use yellow-colored handles to resize the markup, just like a text box or any other markup. You can use the green-colored handle at the top to rotate your markup. If you go to the Markups list, your typewritten text will be listed there, and the Comments section will contain the text you added. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam.